Welcome to the Dynamax Global. Introduction. The issue of immigration has been a central theme in American politics for decades, but under the administration of President Donald Trump, it took a dramatic turn. In a significant and controversial move, President Trump declared a national emergency in an effort to justify and intensify his administration's immigration crackdown. This decision had far-reaching implications on border security, immigration policies, and the broader political landscape of the United States. This essay explores the reasons behind the crackdown, the legal and humanitarian consequences, and the political response to this national emergency declaration. The justification for the national emergency. President Trump's decision to declare a national emergency was primarily driven by his commitment to strengthening border security and reducing illegal immigration. One of the most notable promises of his 2016 presidential campaign was the construction of a wall along the US-Mexico border. When Congress refused to fully fund this project, Trump invoked emergency powers to reallocate funds from the Department of Defense to finance the border wall. His administration argued that the surge in illegal crossing, drug trafficking, and human smuggling constituted a crisis that warranted immediate action. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, supported this assertion by citing statistics indicating a rise in apprehensions at the border. The administration also pointed to the strain on resources, including overwhelmed detention facilities and backlogged immigration courts. Legal and humanitarian consequences. The declaration of a national emergency in the immigration crackdown had significant legal and humanitarian repercussions. 1. Legal challenges. The declaration faced immediate lawsuits from multiple states, civil rights organizations, and lawmakers who argued that Trump had overstepped his constitutional authority. 1. They contended that Congress alone holds the power of the purse, and that reallocating military funds without congressional approval was unconstitutional. 2. Family separations and detention conditions. One of the most controversial policies implemented during this crackdown was the family separation policy, where children were separated from their parents at the border. 2. This led to widespread outrage and criticism from both domestic and international human rights organizations. 3. Impact on asylum seekers. The Trump administration implemented policies such as the Migrant Protection Protocols, MPP, commonly known as Remain in Mexico, which required asylum seekers to wait in Mexico while their claims were processed. 3. This led to thousands of migrants being stranded in dangerous and unsanitary conditions along the border. 4. Expansion of ICE raids and deportations. Under the Trump administration, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, ramped up raids in major cities, leading to mass arrests and deportations of undocumented immigrants, some of whom had lived in the US for decades with no criminal record. 5. DACA and TPS uncertainty. Trump's policies also targeted legal protections such as the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, DACA, and Temporary Protected Status, TPS, programs. 5. The administration attempted to phase out DACA, putting hundreds of thousands of young undocumented immigrants, often referred to as dreamers, at risk of deportation. 5. Additionally, efforts to revoke TPS status affected many immigrants from countries facing natural disasters and armed conflicts. 6. Public and global humanitarian outcry. The immigration crackdown faced widespread condemnation from human rights groups, international organizations, and foreign governments. 6. Reports of overcrowded and unsanitary detention centers, allegations of inhumane treatment, and the psychological toll on migrant families fueled protests and policy debates. Political response and public reaction. The national emergency declaration and the subsequent immigration crackdown triggered a highly polarized response. Supporters' perspective. Trump's base, including many conservative lawmakers, supported the move, arguing that it was necessary to protect national security and uphold the rule of law. They emphasized the dangers of illegal immigration, drug cartels, and the burden placed on the economy and public services. Opponents' perspective. Critics, including Democrats, civil rights activists, and some moderate Republicans, viewed the declaration as an abuse of executive power. They argued that the so-called crisis was exaggerated for political gain and that redirecting military funds set a dangerous precedent. Additionally, they condemned the humanitarian impact of the policies, particularly the treatment of migrant families and asylum seekers. Congressional actions. The declaration led to multiple congressional challenges. The House of Representatives passed resolutions opposing the emergency declaration, while the Senate saw bipartisan efforts to overturn it. However, Trump vetoed these attempts, ensuring that his policies remained in place. Judicial battles. Several court cases were filed against the administration, challenging the legality of the National Emergency Declaration and various immigration policies. The legal battles over DACA, border wall funding, and family separations continued well into his presidency and beyond. Long-term implications. Trump's immigration crackdown and the National Emergency Declaration had lasting effects on U.S. immigration policies, border security, and political discourse. 1. Shifts in immigration policies under successive administrations. While the Biden administration moved to reverse many of Trump's immigration policies, some elements, such as border security measures, remained contentious issues. 1. The immigration debate continues to be a major factor in U.S. elections and legislative priorities. 2. Impact on the U.S. economy and labor market. The crackdown on undocumented workers and increased deportations affected industries reliant on immigrant labor, including agriculture, construction, and service sectors. 2. Economists and business leaders raised concerns about labor shortages and economic disruptions. 3. Legal precedents and executive power expansion. The use of emergency powers to fund immigration policies set a precedent for future administrations. 3. The debate over executive authority and the role of Congress in immigration funding remains a key constitutional issue. 4. Public opinion and electoral consequences. Immigration policies under Trump played a significant role in shaping voter behavior in both the 2018 midterms and the 2020 presidential election. 4. The policies galvanized both conservative voters who favored stricter enforcement and progressive voters who opposed the administration's approach. Conclusion. President Trump's immigration crackdown and national emergency declaration remain one of the most defining and controversial aspects of his presidency. While it fulfilled a campaign promise and resonated with his base, it also led to numerous legal battles, widespread criticism, and profound humanitarian consequences. The long-term implications of these policies continue to shape U.S. immigration laws and influence political discourse. Regardless of one's stance on immigration, the Trump administration's approach marked a significant shift in how the U.S. government handles border security and immigration enforcement. Thank you for watching this video.